Alright, so let's talk about this. So I'm going to first show you guys what the Climate Prediction Center is saying is going to happen in terms of temperatures. So as you guys can see, most of the eastern United States is going to be colder than average for the next 8 to 14 days. And same with the next 6 to 10 days. Look at that. Like, gosh dang. A lot of people are going to be getting snow and cold. Alright, now that we checked that out, let's look at the GFS model. This is going to be telling us what the next 15 days could look like. Don't get into like the nitty gritty and say, oh, because this model says so, my area is going to be negative 30 degrees. No. Just say, oh, that just means my area is going to be below zero in terms of temperatures, because models are really not good with predicting exactly what's going to happen. They're good at giving you an overall picture to make a forecast on, but they're not good at giving you guys like the exact temperature, the exact snowfall amount for your area. They're not going to tell you, oh, your area is definitely going to get 2.5 inches of snow. It probably will just tell you your area is going to get like 2 to 4 inches, if you know what I mean. So let's start looking at the temperatures here. I actually have these pulled up already, but I want to go through them with you guys again while I'm talking about them, obviously. All right, so this is Sunday, today. Actually, tomorrow, sorry. Monday. Pretty cold across the northern U.S. The south is relatively mild, but that is going to change. As you guys can see, as we go to Thursday, it just gets colder and colder in the south. And look at this. Saturday, the northern U.S., the central U.S., could be shivering in very low sub-zero temperatures. Like, we're not just talking about like negative 10 degrees, maybe negative 30 degrees for the Ohio Valley. That would break some records. All right. I think this model is done loading there. So as you guys can see, basically cold for the next 15 days. Now, let's look at total snowfall for the next 15 days. Let me move my webcam here so I can actually pull up the snowfall amounts for the next 15 days here. So I'm gonna also not play this. I'm not gonna play this out because I can really just skip ahead to 15 days from now. Look at that, guys. We could be talking about widespread snow for about every state in the United States, except Florida, of course. Like, Florida rarely sees snow. Like, it's a once in every 30 to 40 years thing for Florida. So, you don't expect them to see snow. But Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma here, Arkansas, all those areas are going to be in Snowtown. They're going to be seeing a bunch of snow. If this verifies. There's a chance that this may not verify. But, like I said, you can't focus on the exact snowfall amounts or the exact location of storms. All you can do is focus on like the overall picture of a model. And the overall picture is saying a lot of people are going to be getting a lot of snow here. So that's all you can really see from this model, if you know what I mean. Alright, I'm going to show you another model. I'm going to show you the European model. This one, I think, is struggling big time with the cold, so do not pay attention to how it is not showing cold for the South, because I'm not buying that. I was showing you guys the Climate Prediction Center, and they're basically the geniuses in, like, showing you, like, what area is going to be below average and what is going to be above average. So I would not trust this model, but we're going to show it to you guys anyways. Alright, let's play this out. It still shows a lot of cold, don't get me wrong, but it's not showing the cold in the south like the GFS and most other models are showing. But it should be showing the cold in the south because, dang, basically all models are showing that. See? Not really as cold. But I won't buy that until this keeps showing it. If this keeps showing it, like, not getting as cold in the south up until, like, next Friday, then I would trust this. But if it changes, like it probably will, it will probably match the GFS. I bet that will be the case, that everybody in the lower 48 will get some type of cold. Like, what is wrong with my voice today? Some type of cold. Okay, I'm not gonna remake this video because screw this. Okay, I'm just sorry. I'm mad. I hate when I screw up on camera, but it is what it is. Okay, we're not even going to look at the temperatures on here because I want you guys to see the snowfall, because basically this is showing exactly what the GFS is, and I don't want to show you something that is basically the exact same as the GFS. But what is different on this model is the snowfall. See? It's more north than the GFS, but that is not a bad thing because the south doesn't always get snow anyways, but it's something to look out for, you know? The north may get more snow than the south, which is obviously the case, but what I'm saying is compared to average, the north may get more snow than the south compared to average, and the south doesn't average a lot of snow. All right, that's all the weather talk I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that explanation of the models and all that, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.